Okay, and who else?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
me,
Me, Afik.
Harshada. Okay.
Harshada. Yes, Harshada, the score
105 to between 130.
105 to 130. So just close it at 110 then. Okay, because
Okay.
I actually, as the trainer, I avoid taking the higher scale. So if you don't want to take the lower scale, take something between that.
Okay. Means 105 to 110. I mean, 100.
Let's not keep the hopes higher. So let's keep
Yeah.
110.
Yeah. One. Okay. The lower one.
Yes, I would suggest, better to be, let's say when you appear for the test and then you get 130, 140, that's a wow then.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who else? Anyone attempted a practice test?
Ma'am, me, I have attempted Gaurav.
Yes, Gaurav.
Yeah, my
Any
score was 120 to 145.
Very good. That is also a good score. See, the reason that I'm asking the scores because I want to see that are you building confidence?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the practice test that you are doing. So I want to ensure that there is a upliftment of confidence. Okay, at least we are learning now.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
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 Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yeah, who's this? Can you be a bit louder?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Chris.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, I have done practice what to say, describe a maze and also that yes, no, correct word and all. But for me, the complex task is the missing word. So
That
on
I'm
that,
covering today.
yes, yes, yes. If missing word is if missing word is done, then will I
No,
think
I'm covering
I think
today that.
probably like everybody will agree with me that everyone is going to get good score because the main factor is missing word. As per
Yes,
my
ma'am.
like, I'm getting
Let
that.
us see, now don't attempt any practice test for 2, 3 days again.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. This is, see, I work on certain, tried and tested experiments.
Yes.
So now don't attempt any practice test.
Okay.
Focus 2, 3 days on the, task that I'm telling you to do.
Hmm.
Then when whenever I tell you, I will tell you to practice yes no again, practice describe image again, practice missing letter again, and
Hmm.
write from dictation again, and whichever topic I'll cover in these 2, 3 days. Then
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
you attempt practice test, and
Sure, ma'am.
100% guarantee your score is going to shoot up.
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
I also scored much better than the previous. As I have already told you earlier, I usually got 90 in the lower band, but
Oh
this
yeah.
time I scored 105 in the lower band and upper band 130, I guess.
See, very good actually. So, uh, from you, I am getting the confidence that you will be able to score more than what you actually need then.
Yes, ma'am.
For me also, this was my highest score. Every time I used to get my score in between 100 to 120. So this time my score band where was 120 to 145.
Great, great. I don't know whether it was
And,
practice test was easy or this training is
and
helping you.
no, no, no. Every day I used to give two practices.
Okay. So, shall we start with missing letter now?
Definitely,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So,
I'm sharing my screen with you again. Okay, please mute all of you. Whenever you want to ask a question, you can always unmute yourself. Okay, so fill in the missing letter. Quite complicated actually, because when we see the timer is running, we tend to do mistakes, and sometimes you fill the letter and then you find okay, this is not suitable. Then again removing that. So that's
Yes.
take a lot of time also. Okay, this is how the screen looks like. You have a timer of 3 minutes, and this is what you have to fill in the missing letters. Okay, all of you, you need to know that let's say you utilize completely 3 minutes or whatever the timer is there for any particular item. Okay, and you have utilized the full time. Let's say 3 minutes, the bar that is moving towards orange side, and it's completely orange then. The task will automatically, your window will automatically move to the next task then. You don't have to press next in that case. Next should be pressed if you complete your task before the time is over. Okay, so moving on. Now what is this question is actually, first of all, you have to fill in the missing letter. The time to answer is 3 minutes. Again, time to answer is 3 minutes. How it works? See, everyone knows that there's a short extract. The first and the last sentences, maybe you might have not noticed this, but now when I'm telling you and the next time you attempt the test, then you should notice the first and the last sentences are complete actually, but the words in between have missing letters. So at least the first sentence that gives you a meaning, that is always complete, and the last sentence, it gives you a meaning, that is also complete. Only the, you know, the letters in between are incomplete. Your task is to fill in the missing letter in a way that it makes sense. It's very important that you need to know that whatever you're filling is making a sense. Whatever you have filled the complete letters, but that particular passage or a extract makes a sense. It is connected to each other. Okay, now the tip to answer is 3 times. Read, 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 which means read raised to the power cube. Correct? Are you all reading anything?
Yes, ma'am, I am reading.
Yeah. See, reading is the only key to score good in anything, apart
Yes,
from
ma'am.
extra practice. Okay, now moving on. Now, strategies to practice. Please focus it, and maybe you will not realize कि ऐसा होगा, but gradually you will see the changes in your scores. First point, read the first and last sentence to gauge the setting of the passage. Gauge the setting of the passage means to understand, to find out what this passage is about actually. So first or second line को last line को आप read करोगे, you will at least know what is the topic of this passage. Quickly read the first and the last sentence. Then start filling the missing letters using your intelligence. Now, see, now you got to know the topic is about army. Okay. So, army se related is सब कुछ, you know, it will go on. So, try to complete the letters referring to army. Third point, it has been noticed that extracts can be about history, they can be about any personality. Please forget the spelling error of personality, could be a typing error. Okay, it could be about history, personality, some culture, or some specific person or any specific topic. So first sentence and the last sentence can actually easy tell you what is the topic. Okay, then you have enough time to answer. If you're not getting the right letter for one word, again, let me tell you, let's say you're on the third part. Okay, someone, just a second, I think someone got disconnected, or I'm audible to everyone. Am I audible? Can anyone say?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so coming
Yes,
to
sir.
the fourth point, you have enough time to answer. Let's say you are struggling with one particular complete word, what should be there? Leave that, move on to the next one, and then later on you can come back, because when you will come back later on, half of the letters have already finished, so you will be able to do that. So don't stick or don't waste your time sticking to just one particular letter or one particular word. Okay, and practice a lot, and do not forget to read something extra. Again, we will be working on this exercise. Focus on your first and last sentence. They will tell you about the topic of the extract, and then after first and the last sentence, find out what is the topic. The missing letters could be related to that topic. Got it? I'm moving on. Okay, a few exercise. I have taken some extracts from, again, from Duolingo practice test, and maybe we have never observed finding out what is the background setting of that particular extract. So let's do it now. Okay. So, shall we start with the same order, Samira?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. I'll just make the size big so that everyone can see it. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Samira, just
Yeah, ma'am.
focus on the first line. Catherine Houghton Hepburn was dash
Born.
American. Okay, something about a lady and she was an American. Now look at the last line. She was nominated for 12 Academy Awards.
Winning.
Academy Awards are about Hollywood.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now these two lines tell me that this is something about movies and Hollywood.
Movies and yeah.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Yes.
understand. Yeah.
Okay, and let me write here also. Okay, who is next in the order? Do you remember your order?
Ma'am, me, Avik.
Very good, because I don't have the list with me now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Avik. Now for you to tell me just read first and the last line and try to tell me what it is about.
Minneapolis is a city in Minnesota, and the Mississippi River runs through the city. It is about a city in USA,
Good.
actually.
It is about a city. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, who is next? Janvi, I think, or Sai?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Janvi.
Yes, Janvi, tell me. Only focus on first and the last line. Janvi, are you there? Janvi? Is Janvi there? Okay, I think Janvi, are you able to answer? Can I move on to Sai? Is Sai over there? Sai, are you there? Are you able? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then do I have Harshada here?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshada, can you give me the information?
It is about something related to budget.
Very good. That's what I was looking for. So my thought process and your thought process is same. Next.
Thank you,
Next
ma'am.
is Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Please check it.
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is it is talking about like electrical engineering, like electrical engineering had some sub disciplines. Like what are the subcategories has electrical engineering contains?
Very good. Okay, next is Gaurav. Gaurav,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes, I
Okay, Gaurav, tell me.
Hello, madam.
it is about the blue whales called as humpback whales.
So, whales, right?
Uh,
Okay, next is Manju.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's about the winter season land flooded, ma'am.
Okay, it's actually about a land called Somerset.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just taking out. I'm not confirmed because I just read the first line and Somerset, the name, and the last line said in the winter the land
The
was
land
flooded.
was
So this
flooded.
land would be Somerset land. Okay. Janvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now quickly, I can't give you a lot of time. Okay,
Yes.
explain me this.
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you tell me the background information of this extract?
Yes, yes, yes. It is about a star.
Okay.
Sorry, it is about the sun.
It actually tells about the sun only.
Yes.
Who is left? Anyone there? Sai Krishna is not there today.
Madam Sai, I am there, madam.
Sai, you are there?
Yeah,
Now
madam.
for you, tell me.
It's about a college course, madam. College degree.
Check again, check again. It's about a
It's about a college degree, madam.
college degree.
She's joining in
Just,
a college.
okay, hold on, hold on. I want all of you please focus. See, in the first line it is mentioned Glyhen
A girl called Galen.
Yeah, it's
You are
about
Yeah,
a
it's
girl.
about
Yeah, it's about a
it's
girl.
about it's about a girl how she like
exactly.
her education.
Yeah, studied
Yeah,
and
it's
just
about a
yeah.
girl because last sentence is telling me she got a bachelor's of
That's a
art.
degree. Yes, yes.
It's all
So
about
it's
her,
about
ma'am.
a girl.
It's about
And
her and how
college
she
degree.
got the education.
Yeah, her girl and about her education in college.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Okay. Till now, are you clear what I'm trying to explain you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done like this before?
No.
No, ma'am, never.
No.
See, now when you will get to know now what is the topic about, you will be able to fill the letters.
Yeah, that words will come to mind in that time.
Yes, exactly. Now your vocabulary will open the lights.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, ma'am. That's true.
Okay. Now, starting from Samira, please try to fill this. Just do it. Don't
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me. Everyone, please try to do this. And I suppose you might have done it also.
Uh, it is.
Just do it silently. Done? I think enough, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
I'm done, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Made of.
Okay, starting from Samira, first letter. Or the first
Ma'am,
complete word.
in.
Air in.
Is.
Is
Is
it
Air
in or is?
is.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, I'm
Is.
done.
Next. Avik.
a week off.
Very good. Next. Sai.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Air is made of many. Sai.
Gases. No, ma'am. It's
Guess.
my turn.
Exactly.
Gases.
Gases. Doubt nahi
Yes,
hai.
yes.
Guess.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Yes,
Like
yes,
I
ma'am.
just wrote down guesses.
Gases.
Yes, yes. I wrote down guesses.
Then
Yeah, me
Janvi.
too, ma'am.
Air.
What?
Air. AIR.
R. Okay.
Are.
Okay. That are mixed. Easy.
Together.
Very
Together.
good.
Yes.
Together.
Okay.
Off.
Approximately. Who is next in the order?
Me, ma'am. Krish.
Yeah, Krish, tell me.
Off,
Ma'am,
off.
my connection.
Very
Okay.
good. Manju, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next.
Of the air, ma'am.
Okay. Gaurav, next.
Is oxygen. Oxygen.
This is actually, if you look at this extract, half of the thing you're getting from the extract itself. Air,
Yes, ma'am.
oxygen, together is very easy over here.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone,
Okay, ma'am.
please do this. What is the background information? Samira, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
It's
the
about a Tamil people,
Okay,
the
good.
origin.
Now continue doing.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Once you're done, please let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll start with the order from the back. Last order. Manju?
Historical belief, ma'am.
Historical. Very good. Next is Gaurav.
Believe that they migrated.
That they migrated. Okay. Then Krishna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Con-
Tell me.
consider them with
Who answered this?
So,
Sai, ma'am.
Sai, it's not your turn, it's Krishna. Okay, consider. Okay, Harshada,
Consider with
with. Okay, just tell me the blank one, that's it. Okay, then Harshada, then it is Janvi.
Historical.
No, there is one more
Historians.
single letter
after people.
Of
after people.
After people. Okay.
of
What is
People
that?
of in
Of.
Janvi,
Historians.
of
off. Okay, then Sai Krishna.
historical, ma'am.
Historian.
Exactly. Check the spelling of
Historians.
historian and historical.
Turians, ma'am.
RIAN.
S should be there. There are five blanks, I guess.
Okay. Some historian. When they're talking about some, actually, it should be historian.
Okay.
RIANS. RIA.
Yes.
It should be historians, actually.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Because
Because
they
different
there
are
is a
kind of
talking
blank
words,
about
one.
ma'am.
some people, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And here also it should be historians. Because you
historical
frame a sentence, it could be historical
student.
belief hota hai. You know, if you believe something, then it's when a person is believing, to believe aayega. If it's a common belief, so some historians believe that.
People
So
of
it
the
should be
people
historians actually.
on
Historians.
the Indus Valley.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
In that second line, there is a word starting with some CON. Does it suitable for them to connect? some connect with them,
नहीं. Some consider.
some okay.
It cannot be connect. Connect them. नहीं. It should be consider.
Continue with them.
Okay. People of Indus Valley civilization were. Avi,
Yes,
were
ma'am.
second last line.
Indus, people of Indus Valley
People on
civilization where
Yeah. Try to find out, Avi.
Madam, people on the Indus
Either.
Valley.
Hold on. Everyone, please
either.
get Avi's answer.
Yes, ma'am. Either Tamil,
Yes. Then Samira.
Tamil on similar.
नहीं देखो इधर के साथ हमेशा क्या आता है
of.
Of.
नहीं
or
or
Either
Oh,
or.
or
Okay,
my
okay.
God.
if
Acha,
either is
acha.
there
Either
then
Tamil
or
or
if neither is
Or
there then nor.
Yes,
no.
yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Or Samira, this one.
Similar.
Similar.
Okay, this next.
Race.
Race.
Very good. Finish. Hats
Yes.
off. See, now what I want to say, if you look at the words down, these all words are related to some people, migration, race. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So maybe, I always tell to everyone that when you're doing practice test, अपने आप को ना टाइम बाउंड मत करो, just be relaxed, try to focus on the test in terms of learning. Don't see कि मेरा भी स्कोर कितना आ रहा है. Let's say you are attempting a missing letter one. अब वहां पे टाइमर चल रहा है कि 3 minutes के ही है. It's okay. Just try to understand कि क्या word आना चाहिए. And I'll tell you one thing. I always take a screenshot. कि time over हो गया, I'll still go back to that task and do it again.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say something?
Yes.
Ma'am, to improve myself, like before the class, I used to take actually screenshot because I don't know, right, like where I'm doing any kind of mistakes or smelling errors or something. Because sometimes, like, I don't understand the words and anything. I'm
Correct.
thinking like this time also, like either Tamil, it could be like or, but I just say it like something else. So it helps me to improve actually the word, the sentence making.
Yeah, because when you have screenshots, na, you can always go back.
Yeah, ma'am.
अगर screenshot नहीं लोगे, then you're starting something new and we don't know what mistakes we have done in the previous one. If we
Yes,
are not
ma'am.
improving ourselves, then it's something new that you will do again. Better to focus on the mistakes so that we improve.
yes.
Okay, now shall we move on to the next? You want me to try? See, if I will do, I'll complete it like this only.
No.
Okay, the math team also host an event. So it's something about event for parents and student.
Ma'am, I am going now. Okay, as I discussed
Okay,
with you.
yeah. Okay, carry on. I'll
Uh,
share the task with you.
okay, ma'am. Please share with me.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye. Okay. Bye.
Okay, so the first line is telling me about the event, and the next line is telling me about the last line.
The goal of family math learning for parents become comfortable hosting their students with an it's related to the homework. Like they can
It's
assist.
actually related to the goal of the event. अगर आप first line पढ़ोगे, then I have given the name of the event.
Yeah. Family math night.
The name of the event is called Family Math Night.
Math night.
And
Yeah.
the last line they have given the goal of the event. So now
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
it is about an event, right?
Yeah.
Quickly fill it up. Samira, you have to
Okay.
answer all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, please tell me.
The first one is already written, like event,
Okay,
parents,
just a second. Event, yeah,
parents,
yeah.
counts.
What is that?
I think I mean, okay, ma'am, I did a mistake here.
Others, please check her answers because I suppose that you might have also tried it. So you all should cross check if you are going wrong anywhere. We will surely discuss that. Yes, Samira, quickly.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding this word.
Okay,
Sorry.
now, okay, let me explain you. See,
Okay.
course, they're talking about an event, they're talking about parents, they're talking about
Ma'am, course?
exactly materials.
Yeah,
It's
materials.
about
Yes, yes,
education,
yeah.
it's about school. So
Course,
obviously
yeah.
they'll talk about
Course
course material.
materials with their studies.
Yeah,
Like students, sorry.
very good.
Through hand-on activities run by
Yeah,
maths team members.
yeah, very good. Happy?
Yes, ma'am. I was like thinking, like, what is it? I just write down count.
No, no, see, we just think कि background क्या है, background से related the word should be. Okay, next I will just randomly pick up whom should I? Harshada.
Okay, ma'am.
Harshada, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try to attempt this.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Okay. Can I just hold on, Harshada, before I proceed? Everyone, during the last slide that we had done, did anyone had a doubt or anyone got incorrect letters in this?
Last one I got incorrect later, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry, Harshada, just keep on hold. I want to
Sure,
actually
ma'am.
first check on with this. Who is that who got incorrect?
Chris,
Okay. Where did you got it incorrect, Krishna?
that one second. The course, no course.
Is it
Course.
clear now how I
Yes,
explained?
yes, it is clear. It is.
Anyone else? Everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So coming back to Harshada now. Yes, Harshada.
Okay, ma'am. In
Good.
separate
Very good.
by the 13th century.
Okay. Others, I believe, please keep on following her and wherever you are getting yourself wrong, make a mark. Yes, next.
The
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
lose.
Lose नहीं आएगा. Lose की spelling is
L O
LOOSE.
L.
Lost,
Okay, okay. Lost, lost,
lost.
Lost. Yes.
lost. Okay, lost. Con, over
Very good.
areas.
Wow, you are doing good. I don't know why people are afraid of.
People
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Which spelling should I write? Tell me first. Which
Uh,
spelling? Harshada, you have to give me the spelling also. Which
okay,
there?
ma'am. Okay, people living there. This is second one.
Good. Any doubt
And
anyone has? Okay, people living there.
develop their own language.
Now this there. Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Next.
and culture.
Wow. Too good, huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you all are building your confidence in this a bit of at least.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move on to the next? Next is a difficult exercise. See,
Yeah.
now the exercise is coming from me. Okay.
Okay.
The
Oh,
exercises which we have done right now, they were from Duolingo English test. So now the exercise is developed by me. You may find it difficult. So the first one I'll do for you.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Ma'am, this practice test actually you take from the you took it from the Duolingo exams, right, ma'am? So
Yes.
I just want to ask you. I know, ma'am, like you're getting like a 100, like 50 or maybe 60, like a good, like the best score. So
Yeah.
I want to ask you, like you will just every time whenever you attempt the exam, are you getting the same thing, like same materials? Like it's not
See,
going to
the
be hard
material is
or more
repeated.
harder?
Material is
Yes, ma'am.
repeated.
I know that the material is going to repeat it, but
Yeah.
like I just want to know, like, do you see the new passage like very often?
No. I think I have stopped doing it now because maybe I have covered up everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now actually I don't have to read the full question also. मुझे पता है कि उसमें क्या होना है.
Okay.
I'm getting repeated passage, ma'am.
Exactly. See,
yes, ma'am.
they have made the system पे बना के डाल दिया. Now system is not generating anything new.
Yeah, that same thing is cycling with that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
This
मैम
is what
मैं लाइक मैं भी प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं थोड़ा दे मतलब अपने आप में प्रैक्टिस करना चाहती हूँ, फिर जाके मैं प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट को ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ.
fine with absolutely fine with that. See, whatever I'm giving you, that is more than enough to make your brain function according to Duolingo English test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you're practicing
Yes.
on this, that is more than enough. I'm reading, that's it. See,
Oh,
I'm
ma'am,
not telling
actually, I
anyone.
want to add something.
Yeah.
Like, this is my first time, like, I'm having any online classes. Like, my experience was actually miss best. I never thought of like this, but actually, it's best because I studied in Malaysia, so I know the even how they explain the things. The way you teach us, it's like, ma'am, we don't need to see the things again before starting the practice test, and that's the best thing.
That. Thank you for that. See, I
Yes,
always
ma'am. Because
ensure.
truly, because like coming from a different country, I struggle a lot when I just start my classes like over like back in Malaysia. So
Yes.
it gives me a lot of pressure, like to understand their skills. Even the way they speak, you need to understand the words because like most of them, like they're Chinese lecturer, and some
Correct.
of them international lecturer. So it's really hard to understand their skills and everything, and you need to cope up with them. And for me, miss,
They
like
won't stop
the way
actually.
you teach is yeah, miss, like actually it's really tough. But
So
alhamdulillah,
if
like I'm glad that
thank you
I'm
so
connected with you and somewhere. Like alhamdulillah, seriously, ma'am, like thank you so much. The way you teach us is amazing, miss. Like I can just like say like that, like it's amazing.
thank you. Thank you so much. See, for me, the scores matter a lot. I, for me, the scores are the main thing that make you a master trainer. That's it.
Yes, ma'am, and you are our master trainer actually.
Let's. I just need the scores of everyone. That is more important for me.
Yes, miss, sure, inshallah.
Okay. See, now this is may sound a bit difficult to you. So I'll just cover up this one.
Can
Okay.
I
The
try,
name,
madam?
yeah, who's there?
Sai, madam.
Yes, I tell me.
First word is because it was
Oh,
first word.
wow, acha. So we were talking and you were doing your work. Okay. Okay, let's see what Sai has done. Okay, Sai, because. Yeah, Sai, next.
Two.
Two, very good. Next.
Yeah.
Because this was he thought would be okay, hold on. It's I have
I
done.
got for this word, ma'am.
Okay, now you can do this. Dolphin is a
Mammal.
Second word is it is
जनरल वर्ड
not
में
known
क्या
to
है?
be a
डॉल्फिन
mammal.
is a fish.
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 Fish
Fish.
is a worm.
Fish.
Okay.
Not known to be a
Next,
mammal. Not known to
not
be a mammal.
yeah.
Known to be a mammal. Quite
Quite
interested
and
mammal.
yeah.
Interested, madam.
Interesting.
Interesting mammal. Dolphins.
Dolphins.
Bro.
See, dolphin is there and ear
Breathe.
is there.
Breathe, 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 breathe.
Very
Breathe, ma'am.
good.
Breathe.
Breathe. A
A
dolphin.
dolphin.
अब breathe के बारे में
Nose.
बात
Nose.
करिए. Yes.
Nose.
Connect. Yes. Is on the top of its head, so the
Breathe on
dolphin
surface of the water. Breathe
wow.
on surface of the water. Water.
I got one wrong in this.
This was, I think, a bit difficult than Duolingo, but if you practice this, you can easily do that.
That's it.
Yeah. My one answer was wrong in this.
Which one?
Instead of because I selected becomes.
Become. Nahin. Because. See, become, it was, if it we're talking about was means past tense. So become nahi hoga, became hoga. Got it? So
Yeah.
it should be because actually. Next, anyone, one volunteer. Next exercise. Who wants to volunteer?
Ma'am,
Who
I
is
will
ma'am?
try.
With the name. Who is this?
Can I try Gaurav?
Who is this? Gaurav, yeah, please. Let me.
Yeah.
Yes, Gaurav. And everyone, please, you also try. Gaurav, start doing it first. And then once you have written the words, then tell me.
Madam, second line there is only 3 dashes or two dashes only.
Hey, hold on. Second, we have. Yeah, what did you
Madam.
ask?
Brain before how many blanks? Empty blanks, madam.
Before three. In before brain, there are 3 blanks. Try to read what is before and after the missing letter. You will be able to answer this. Okay, hold on. It's correct.
Oh,
Hmm.
almost done.
Done? Can you just give me
Just
a
2 words
second?
left.
I'll just join in. I have some emergency. I'll just come in a second only.
Sure, ma'am.
Done.
Hello? Yeah, it was Sai who was supposed to do this, right?
No, ma'am, you said me. Gaurav.
Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav, tell me the first.
2.
Two, very good. Next.
They, there.
Very good. Next.
They.
Hmm.
Sleeps.
Okay.
Other.
Yeah. Next.
Awake.
Wow. Did you read it somewhere?
No. This was first time.
Okay. Next.
Other. Awake. They. Wake.
Okay.
One eye open.
It's not
To
wake. It's
watch.
something else.
Wait.
They keep
Something
one
else.
eye open.
They will keep one eye open. Yeah.
To watch for
Yeah.
predators.
Wow, Gaurav. It feels like you have read it. Okay. There is some. I hope you have not
while
hacked
they
my laptop. Huh?
1, 2.
Okay. Next.
while they sleep.
Yeah.
Dolphin also sleep in a circle while
While नहीं आएगा. It's not while.
when sorry
Wave, wave.
Yeah.
when
छोड़ दीजिए.
when they are in sleeping with the outer eye
Yeah.
out for FOR.
Very good. Next.
Dolphins
Yeah.
sleep in sleep in the the
Done.
uh, last is
So
the
see, if you compare the exercise, it has lot of. It has. I'm done. Okay, it has lot of letters missing, not like what we do in Duolingo practice test.
3D toss.
So I will be giving you something at this level so that you can practice in a higher standard what it is actually coming there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. This one, who wants to attempt? Yes. Any volunteer? Come on, or I will say. Manju, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So Manju is trapped now. Yes, Manju. Manju, start doing
Yes,
it
ma'am.
and we will discuss. Whatever you can do is absolutely fine. This is quite tough. Manju, once you are done or wherever you feel like, okay, this is the last you could attempt, so it's absolutely okay. And
Okay.
share with us the answers that you have done.
I'm trying it, ma'am. It's too
I know
tough.
this is a bit harder than what we are doing actually. Are we done? I think we shall move on.
Ma'am.
Okay. Did you attempt it first one?
Yes, I think it's
Altitude,
all
ma'am.
Yeah. What is this? What is it for?
Altitude.
Alternate.
alternate,
Person.
ma'am. It's
Although, ma'am, no, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah,
Altitude,
yeah.
ma'am.
Who's telling although?
All together.
Altogether, maybe.
Although.
No,
No,
it
it,
is T.
it's
T is
for
there.
all
T is
those.
there.
TH.
Alternate. I
No,
guess.
although.
It's although
Although over 70.
Hmm.
percent.
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 Percent of its
This
tea
was quite. Okay.
consumed.
Next.
Tea.
Of
T
it.
Percent.
T
Although.
T.
Sorry.
Next.
Consumed. Please, we didn't get, ma'am.
See,
I
if
didn't got
something is
me.
consumed, India. So what should be there?
Within India.
Very good. Who said
Within
that?
India.
Madam, itself.
It should be is consumed
Itself.
within India.
Itself.
itself.
Exactly, itself. Very good. Next. In this,
In
This India.
itself.
India is also
India is also,
Among.
oh wow,
among the top five
Wow. Among is very good.
Five
Consumers.
consumers.
tea
Consider.
consumed.
Consider. No, consume.
consumers,
Consumer.
Consumers.
Consumer.
Consumers.
Consumers, ma'am.
consumers,
Same
okay.
as number of
Such
Such
POCs,
as.
as,
same as
such
assignment
as,
guidelines.
Same.
Such
Wow,
as.
everyone is
Same
on
as.
the track now. Yes.
Also grow
Also goes
Wow, very good. Grow,
in
in India.
India.
okay.
The
The
Indian tea
Indian tea
industry
Yeah,
has
has
grown
grown,
to own
okay.
many
has
tree bands
involved,
and has
has
involved in
involved
And
into
had evolved in
one of the
one of the
In,
into
main
yeah,
one of the
main
main technologically.
main नहीं है.
अच्छा, major.
Major,
ma'am.
major.
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 Major
No,
third
ma'am.
या फिर major five से?
No,
Ma'am, it's going to be mass
More, more,
technological.
much,
Mass.
One of
More,
the most
many,
more.
technologically
More
equipped.
technologically.
अच्छा.
Most.
More.
most
Most.
technologically okay.
Most. Okay.
equipped,
Equipped
Equipped.
Equipment.
EQU.
tea industry in the.
In
EQU.
the it's a
Equivalent.
comparison
world,
that it is the
Equivalent.
most advanced in the. If you want to compare India with someone, how do you compare? In the
world,
Burj Khalifa
world,
is the
World.
tallest
World.
building in
World.
the.
World.
world,
In the
Yes.
world.
World.
Okay. So enjoyed this doing?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
This was
It's
tough.
hard.
It's
It's
very
a
hard,
You
brain
man.
really need to
exercise.
into with
Seriously,
this.
it's a brain
Then you
exercise.
will, yeah. Like you cannot guess
Speed
any
on
words with
answers.
it. Like you really need to think like what is it? What going to be?
It has to be like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone who can. Okay, let me hide it first. I want one person to volunteer who can attempt this in just 1 minute, not 3 minutes.
Madam, I will try.
Who is
Ma'am,
that?
me,
Who is that?
Ma'am, I
First
can
Harshada.
person,
try.
who said
Goro.
first?
Ma'am, we can
Sai.
try.
Who is that? Tell me the name because I can't see the names on my
I
screen.
Ma'am,
can try.
Samira.
Goro. Goro.
Gaurav, Samira, anyone else?
Sai, ma'am.
Ma'am, Harshada.
Who is not participating?
Sai.
Janvi is quiet today. Where is Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you quiet today or you're talking?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay. Okay, let me give it to Harshada.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because I think Sai, Samira, Gaurav, and you all have done a good lot of participation. Harshada, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want someone to, if anyone of you has a mobile, put a timer of 1 minute on your mobile, please, as I'm not having my mobile with me right now.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
once you start, I'll show the screen to Harshada. Shall
Start.
I? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshada,
Start.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Time done or Harshada done?
40,
Ma'am, I'm
42
done.
second, ma'am.
I'm
Like
Okay, very good.
42 second point 84.
Very good. That's good. Okay, Harshada, tell me.
It is about young Americans
Hmm?
in Europe after
Okay.
World War One.
Yeah.
The war had destroyed
Hmm. Tell me the spelling of destroy.
DESTORIED.
Hmm. Yeah.
Destroyed.
No, no, again tell me the it's IED.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold on.
Destroyed.
You are telling me this spelling. This is the spelling that you're telling me?
No, no, ma'am.
Then
DESTROIED.
IED.
YED.
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 Destroyed. Oh,
Why?
sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Yes,
Their
next.
dreams
Yeah.
and had to given them
Yeah.
nothing to replace their dreams.
Tell me the spelling of there. Which there should I put?
THE.
THE.
RE.
In the
RE.
last blank, which
IR.
side?
IR.
IR. IR.
See, you can easily see from the
Because
second
they
line.
Yeah,
dreams.
Their
because
Yes.
they
They
already,
dreams.
yeah.
It's their dreams, so here also their dreams. It's
their
a clue
dreams.
actually.
Okay. Okay.
But good attempt, Harshada. Very good.
Ma'am, I did it
42
before.
seconds. It was nice, man. 42 seconds.
1 minute. See, now exactly I want to put that pressure of 1 minute. Don't
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
because we can relax, लेकिन इतना भी नहीं that utilize the whole
मैम
3 minutes.
थैंक यू आपने नहीं दिया क्योंकि ये मैंने किया हुआ है और बहुत बार किया है. मुझे पूरा याद था। मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लेके बाद में मैंने ठीक भी किया था, क्योंकि मैंने वो नीचे में जो रिप्लेस वो उसमें मैंने गलती की थी, तो मुझे याद है कि ये दियर ही होगा।
Okay, I'm going to show you one more PowerPoint. What you have to do at home now. Okay, so same instructions, and it has 7 exercises to do. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Okay, and when you are sending me the answers, I would appreciate that in the email, just write like practice 1 answers, practice 2 answers, practice 3 answers. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
one more thing, yesterday you all might have received the audios.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Dictation.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for your practice. By the end of this week, I'll share another 20 audios with you. Okay.
But ma'am, I'm already done it and I sent it to you, I think.
Have you sent the email?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Even I have
when I
mailed you back.
open in the night, I cover my classes get over by 6. So then a bit of family time. Then I open my laptop in the night.
Okay, no issues. मैम मुझे एक चीज पूछना था आपसे।
Yes.
वो ये है कि मुझे सबसे ज्यादा हर्ट वो लगता है जो साउंड वर्डिंग जो है
यस मैम, वो प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक से समझ में नहीं आता।
मुझे मैम इतना मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ। मुझे लगता है कभी कभी जो सुना हुआ वर्ड नहीं है, मुझे लगता है मैंने नहीं सुना, बट वो एक्चुअली में है, वो इस दुनिया से बिलोंग करती है। बट मैं पूरा कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ।
Okay. Now tell me one thing. Honestly, Samira, you were asking me this question, na?
यस मैम।
Okay. Now tell me one thing. So when you are doing this audio,
या
you
मैम।
have heard the audio once. तो क्या आप लिख लेते हो sentence?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं एक बार सुन के मैं पूरा सुन लेती हूँ और मुझे जो करेक्ट लगता है वो मैं लाइक राइट करती हूँ।
You write
फिर
it.
जाके जो मुझे लगता है लाइक आई एम बिट कंफ्यूज विद देम, देन आई ट्राई टू लिसन and just try to make sure that okay, this is the correct answer or this is not. Like most of the times, ma'am, I'm like, I'm puzzled myself.
Can
Like
I tell
I
you
don't
one thing?
understand
All of you
anything.
actually, all of you.
Okay.
In your first instinct, जो word आपको ठीक लगता है, that you have heard this word, try to go with your first instinct. You know what happens when we overthink, we tend to do it wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Absolutely correct, ma'am. This is the point.
Okay.
Correct.
When you overthink, you will tend to do it wrong, and at the same time, just hear it once, write it down or type it. Okay. And then
Okay.
once you have done your typing, you think, okay, something is missing or the grammar sense is not coming, maybe some letter is missing. Then you have to hear it again, obviously. Then again replay it. But don't think कि अगर मैंने writing लिखा है, अब writing ही बोला था क्या, कुछ और तो नहीं बोला था. You are, questioning yourself. Doubts एक बार ही आएंगे, then it will keep on building a mountain of doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
In your
Ma'am,
first instinct, write it.
Ma'am, how many answers are correct actually? Like the minimum and the maximum?
I didn't got you. What did you say?
Like the answers, ma'am. Like how many correct answers will be there? Like the minimum and the maximum. Like in your instance, like because you know, right, the correct answers and the wrong answers.
No, you're telling about yours or in a general sense?
Ma'am,
In
general
general,
sense.
See, how many answers will be wrong? I could not relate to the question. Can someone explain me again?
ma'am, she means to say that in a general, suppose that when we listen word, there will be a
Ma'am, the
9 words.
probability of answer she is
Okay.
saying.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. What you're trying to say that out of, let's say, a sentence had 6 words.
Ninth,
Out of
yeah.
6 words, which words will be a doubtful one? Or
No,
how
ma'am.
many words
No, no,
can be a
no,
I'm
doubtful one?
just
no. She
trying
means
to
to
ask
No,
you,
the
ma'am.
number of
Like, yeah, it's okay, it's fine.
uh,
You can say.
can I say?
Someone say please.
Can I tell,
Someone
ma'am?
wants to explain for me.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Suppose in that listen a right word and select right word. There we will get a
Okay.
9 words. What she is
Okay.
meant to
Yeah.
ask is that out of 9 words, how many minimum right word will come and how many maximum
Four.
right word will come? As
Four
you
will be
have
minimum
practiced n
correct
number of
words.
times.
Or-
Four is correct words. And it
Okay,
can
ma'am.
go. See, you will minimum have at least wrong, incorrect, 3 incorrect words. I'll tell you in which section. In the audio one. So you're talking about yes no vocabulary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So this is first thing because I was relating that we are discussing describe image. Oh, sorry, we are discussing audio right from dictation. So what are you actually asking me? So I was not able to relate it. Now I got to know that you're asking from yes no. So
Yes.
yes no. If you get a text one, you get minimum 4 correct answers. Okay, and if you get a audio one, you get minimum at least 3 incorrect. So audio has more options of getting correct. Based on my practice, I could easily correct from the audio. Oh, sorry. Hold on. From the text, sorry. Text gives you around 18 words. So the text will easily have more than 4 correct answers, and the audio may have just 4 right answers. See, we need to know कि ऑडियो में मेरे पास सिर्फ 9 options है सुनने के लिए और टेक्स्ट में I have to read 18 words.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
obviously 18 words में मेरे करेक्ट वर्ड ज्यादा होंगे
Hmm.
और जहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ 9 ऑडियो सुनने हैं तो उसमें मिनिमम 4 तो करेक्ट होते ही हैं. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah. Actually, I have practiced this one, what to say, like right from detection. So on that, in the sentence, like where the plurals are there, no, like s, bird, birds. The plurals in like whatever sentences, no, in that
Yeah.
sentence, I am getting the problem. Like s, wherever I'm missing the s.
You must be listening. Are they?
Maybe I don't know, like
Just focus what is before the particular noun. If they are
okay.
saying let's say would be birds. So there
Mm.
are birds. There is a bird. There's a
Yeah,
difference.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, yes, yes, sir. Maybe that will be there. Mm.
Okay, everyone. I have to disconnect the call because I have a class at 5 now.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, ma'am.
Madam,
Thank you.
So I'll
Thank
be
you so
ma'am,
much,
sharing
can
ma'am.
the
you share
task,
more
and
missing
as you
letters
complete
passages,
your
madam?
Ma'am,
audio, send
excuse
an
me, ma'am.
email to me
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
can you share more letter missing letters passages, madam?
loudly.
Missing letter
Can you share
exercise, ma'am.
more
More,
missing
more
letter
Yeah,
material.
that
passages,
I'm
madam?
okay. You want okay. Within 1 hour, you will have that with you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take
Thank
care,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Take care. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.